Good morning, boys and girls. We are on Morning Work Page, Unit 3, Week 2, Day 5. The directions say edit and write each sentence correctly and circle the verbs. Number 1, my grandma washes almost all the dishes. Find the mistakes, fix it up, rewrite it nice and neat. Number 2, the girls holds the toast over the bowl. Find the mistakes, fix it up, rewrite number 2 nice and neat. Pause your video and do number 1 and number 2. We go down to our daily math review. You know what to do there. Number 6, our story problem for today. Terry collects 49 rocks. 26 are smooth, the rest are rough. How many rocks are rough? Okay, so he has 29 rocks, right? 26 are smooth, the rest are rough, and that equals 49 rocks, okay? So we're trying to figure out this missing number. So we're finding the difference between 26 and 49. Difference means to subtract. So we can take 49 and subtract 26 to find how many rocks are rough. So I would suggest showing your work and using a quick picture. Okay, number 7. We're going to use, it says the strategy is decomposing a number leading to a 10. So 5 plus 7, okay, in 7, right, is the number 5. So we're breaking apart 7 into the two numbers that added together equal 7, right? So 5 plus 2 equals 7. So now we've got 5 plus 5 plus 2. We know 5 plus 5 equals 10, which is why we chose 5, because that would make a 10, okay? So 10 plus 2, and then write your answer here. I would prefer to just memorize 5 plus 7, but whatever works. Everybody does math differently. So my job is to teach you strategies. Your job is to figure out what strategy works for me to solve problems the fastest. Okay, so let's see. Number 8, strategy, subtracting by place value. So we have 68, we're going to take away 53. So we've done adding by place value. I think this is our first time subtracting by place value. So we have 60, right? 6 tens. We have to take away these 5 tens. So 60 minus 50. Then we do the ones, 8 minus 3. That's why this is here. And then whatever you get here and whatever you get here, you're going to put these together. Okay? You're going to put these together, and whatever you get when you put those tens and ones together, you're going to put here, and that's your answer to 68, subtract 53. Pause your video, do number 8. And then our last problem is 94 plus 33 plus 21. Solve it however it works for you. All right, pause your video, do number 9, and then let's start checking from the top of our paper. Number 1, my grandma washes almost all the dishes. First problem I noticed is washes. I hear is at the end, so that tells me when I make wash into wash is, it's plural, there's an ES on the end, not an S. Almost is a combination of AL and most, which is MOST, so almost is going to be ALM. OST, almost. There's no E on the end. My grandma washes almost all the dishes. Oh my goodness, this is just like the word washes, right? It ends in SH. I also hear that is sound on the end, so that tells me it's going to be dish plus is, dishes. My grandma washes almost all the dishes. Needs a period. It's a statement. Okay, rewrite number 1 nice and neat. Alright, we got number 1 looking good. Now we'll do number 2. The girls holds the toast over the bowl. Alright, the girls hold, right? There's no S. We've learned about subject-verb agreement this week. So no S on holds because it's more than one girl. The girls hold the toast is spelled incorrectly. It's OA for the long O sound. So T-O-A-S-T. Over the bowl. Bowl is spelled B-O-W, right? The O-W is making the long O sound. L. And there's no question mark. It should be a period. Because it's telling us what the girls are doing. Alright, so I'm going to rewrite number 2 nice and neat. Alright, now it's time to find those verbs. Let's see, what does grandma do? She's the subject. My grandma washes. Number 2 is about the girls. What do the girls do? The girls hold. Alright, we found all the verbs. Now we'll get down to the daily math review. So 5 minus 4 is 1, 9 minus 4 is 5, 7 minus 3 is 4, 7 minus 4 is 3. 8 minus 4 is 4. Number 6, so Terry's got these 49 rocks, right? 26 are smooth, the rest are rough. So we're finding the difference between 26 and 49. So draw a quick picture of 49. And then we're going to take away 26. So that's 5 plus 1 more is 6. We'll cross it out. So that leaves us with 10, 23. So 49 minus 26 is 23. So that's the difference. So that's how many are rough. Okay, we explained this one. Our final answer is going to be 12. All right, talked you through this one. 60 minus 50 is going to be 10. And then 8 minus 3 is going to be 5. And then I told you to put these together to get your answer. So 15. And then our last part, let's see. We're going to add our ones. So 7, we've got 8. And then our tens. Oh, this is interesting. We're going to regroup our tens today. Okay, so I'm going to switch gears here for a second, and I'm actually going to draw a quick picture because I want you to see what we're doing here. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4, 94, right? And then 33, 10, 20, 30. 1, 2, 3, and then 21, 10, 21. Okay, so we started with our ones. So we had 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? 8 ones. So I'm going to write an 8 up here. Now we count our tens, right? And remember, this is base 10 we're working in. That's why we have base 10 blocks. So every time I get to a 10, I got to do something different, okay? So this is 90 plus 1 more is 100, right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So what gets to happen is I'm going to... Oh, no. Hold on. The pen went all crazy for a sec. What's going to happen is I'm going to regroup 10 tens. Because 10 tens equals 100, okay? So here's 100. Right? So now I have 10, 20, 30, 40. So I have 4 tens and 100. So I have 148. Now let me show you with the numbers, okay? So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 tens, right? 14 tens is 104 tens. So the 100 goes over here in the hundreds place, right? And the 4 tens get to stay in the tens place. Because there's no other hundreds, that 100 just comes down to the hundreds place. And that's how we end up with 148, like in the quick picture. Okay? All right, start your reading assignment. Reading street assignment. Good luck.